हेलो चिल्ड्रन, आज की क्लास में हम लोग हाइट एंड डिस्टेंस में फिर कुछ प्रूविंग क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज फ्रॉम द टॉप ऑफ अ लाइट हाउस द एंगल ऑफ डिप्रेशन ऑफ द टू शिप्स ऑन द अपोजिट साइड ऑफ इट आर ऑब्जर्व टू बी अल्फा एंड बीटा। सो देयर इज अ लाइट हाउस, सो लेट अस ड्रॉ द डायग्राम। सो this is the lighthouse. If the height of the lighthouse be h meter, this is h meter, and the line joining the ships passes through the foot of the lighthouse. It means two ships are here, one ship S1 is here, S2 is here, and angle of depression is alpha and beta. So from the top of the lighthouse, angle of depression will be, so this is alpha, so obviously this will be alpha, alternate angles are equal, and this angle is beta, so this is also beta, and let AB is a lighthouse. This distance is x1 and this distance is x2. AS1 is equal to x1 and AS2 is equal to x2. Show that the distance between the two ships is, it means कि we have to prove this plus this. To prove x1 plus x2 is equal to h tan alpha plus tan beta divided by tan alpha into tan beta. So children, everything is given in the question itself. We have to take the ratio tan alpha in this triangle. We have to take the ratio tan beta in this triangle, in triangle AS2B, and we have to add it. So very simple question it is. So in triangle, proof, in triangle AS1B, tan alpha is equal to perpendicular by base, so h by x1. It means x1 is equal to h by tan alpha, equation 1. Then in triangle AS2B, in triangle AS2B, tan beta, tan of this angle, tan beta is equal to perpendicular by base, h by x2. It means x2 is equal to h by tan beta. This is equation 2. Now we have to add it because we have to prove x1 plus x2. So add these two equations. So from this, adding equation 1 and 2, x1 plus x2, left hand side is added with the left hand side and right hand side with the right hand side, is equal to h by tan alpha plus h by tan beta. Take LCM. LCM is 10 alpha into 10 beta. Divide this whole by 10 alpha. This will be cancelled. So this will be multiplied by H. So H into 10 beta plus again divide this by 10 beta. This is cancelled. So this is multiplied by H. So H into 10 alpha is equal to H outside, it is common, 10 beta plus 10 alpha divided by 10 alpha into 10 beta. So distance between two ships is H. This we have to prove. Note down. Our next question is, a vertical tower stands on a horizontal plane and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h. So at first draw the figure. This is the vertical tower. Let this is x and is surmounted by a vertical flagstaff of height h, and here is flagstaff of height h. A, B and C. BC is a flagstaff and AB is a vertical tower. At a point on the plane, the angle of elevation of the bottom and the top of the flagstaff are alpha and beta respectively. It means there is a point from here, this point, this is the bottom of the flagstaff. So this angle is alpha and the top is, angle of elevation is beta. So this angle is beta respectively. Prove that the height of the tower is h 10 alpha divided by 10 beta minus 10 alpha. It means we have to prove x is equal to this much. X is the height of the tower. So we have to prove x is equal to h 10 alpha divided by 10 beta minus 10 alpha. Question is very easy. At first what we have to do, take the ratio 10 beta in triangle A, suppose it is D, suppose this point is D. In triangle ADC, take ratio 10 beta. In triangle ADB, take ratio 10 alpha, and we will subtract and multiply it by this quantity. So let us start. Very easy question. So in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, 10 beta and let this is, suppose this is D. 10 beta is equal to perpendicular by base. So x plus h and base is D. This I have taken as a small d. So 10 beta is equal to x plus h by d. First equation. Then take ratio 10 alpha. In triangle ADB, tan alpha, this is perpendicular and this is base. This is x by d. Equation number 2. Now what we have to find? We have to find 10 beta minus 10 alpha. So obviously subtract equation 2 from equation 1. So 10 beta minus 10 alpha is equal to x plus h by d minus x by d. Take LCM. It is d and here it will be x plus h and minus x. Cancel out x. So this is h by d. And now we have to take ratio 10 alpha by 10 beta minus 10 alpha. This is 10 beta minus 10 alpha. So 10 alpha we have x by d. So 10 alpha by 10 beta minus 10 alpha is equal to, it is x by d divided by h by d. X by d divided by h by d. So x by d into d by h, cancel out. So this is giving you x by h and into h. Multiply this quantity by h is equal to x, which is the height of the tower. So it is proved. X is equal to h 10 alpha divided by 10 beta minus 10 alpha is equal to x. अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगे तो सब्सक्राइब करें, शेयर करें and don't forget to comment also. Thank you.